Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to another Bobby's Backyard. Behind me today we got a 2010 Camry hybrid with 74K, and it got crunched sight unseen. Man, if I would have went to go see this, I probably would have told my buddy not to buy it, but crap, we went ahead and pulled the trigger. And it's a little worse than we thought, but here's the damage. I think the strut tower got pushed over slightly because that bar is crunched. This is definitely frame rail got pushed over, and it pushed over the drivers. So today we're going to try to pull it all out, see how much we can do. If I get it in a good spot, I might be able to take it to my friend's shop and finish it off over there on his little frame machine, but I think I'm going to be able to do this. I got this bar right here for frame rails. I used it on the IS300. I never filmed that one. That was right before I started YouTube. So I'm going to use that today, pull out the frame rail, and then we'll probably get a new frame rail and splice it in, pull out the fender apron, pull that out. We're gonna do a lot of pulling today, see if we can square it up, make it look pretty good, and then buy all the new parts that we need. I'm gonna make a list. So let's go ahead and check out the interior. It's got that tan interior. Interior is clean. Oh yeah, gotta do the seat belts. No rips in the back, no nothing. Oops. Interior's filthy as always, man. I don't know what's up. Oh, here's the side pieces. Alright, might be able to fix it. Alright. Oh, it popped out with the airbag. Ah, sweet. Alright, found that. So that's all complete. This just doesn't close. I might be able to fix that later. The radio works. Everything works. Just filthy, no rips in the seats. I'm gonna detail the heck out of it. I think this is gonna come out all right. I think we'll be all right. Get an airbag. At least the horn works. Bolts, knee bag, one seat belt. Let's check the passenger one. I think it was a single person. Yeah. This one's fine, just drivers. Cool. Driver seat belt, airbag, knee bag. I'm gonna go get me a notebook right now and start making a little list of everything that we need. Be right back. Alright, for right now I'm gonna take off the front bumper, and that's probably about it, and maybe the hood, but looks like it's gonna rain, so I'm gonna keep the hood up, or the hood on, and I'll just have it down. But I'm gonna take off the bumper, give me better access to the frame rails and everything like that. Yeah, we're gonna need a headlight, washer fluid bottle. I think the ABS survived. I think the AC survived.
I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. Sometimes I feel like all is lost, but I know it's not true. I wanna put up all my walls cause I'm not in the mood, but then I cut myself off from the rest of the room. I know that time can heal it all if you're patient, and soon it can all be worth it, all the searching. Pain is never really permanent, but damn it hurts, man. I could feel all of the turbulence and it's concerning. I've been searching for a purpose, I hope it's worth it. This society is really trying me. Ain't no hide and seek, I hide to be far from my space, I need my privacy, I need some silence, please. You're all too loud, you don't speak quietly. Opinions violently thrown across every surface, it makes me nervous. Is the world honestly burning? That's all I'm learning. Hope that we can make a turn and start reversing all our minds and put the work in. We got some work, man. I can hear the demons call when they do what they do, and now I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through, I just gotta get through. Cause I feel like taking off, find a place with a view. The pain is never gonna stop if it's controlling you. I know that time can heal it all, I just gotta get through. I just gotta get through. Gotta get through this, life is a nuisance, tie up some loose ends. I try to be human, find a solution, my evolution. A place like this, it didn't exist, we made it like this. So you can go pick the bad or the good, got a glass halfway. I know, it's easier to hide than just to lay low. Not everyone in life has got a halo. I'm standing in the red inside a payphone.
And let's cut from pulling the core support right now for a quick interruption. I just got the control arm in. As I was waiting for it, had it delivered. As you can see, the bottom control arm is toast right there. And I know this frame rail is not pushed back or anything because this bolt hole matches. And there's no crease, no nothing right here. And right over here, see, it's only off a little bit. So let's keep on pulling this. I did pull the frame rail off camera to see if I was able to do it, and I was. I moved it over a good inch and a half. And over here too, from pulling the core support, this was touching each other, separating and getting progress. So that's good. And I think what's holding me back on the radiator support on pulling the rails is this metal piece right here. So I'm gonna bolt it on bolts, get new ones. They are bent on both sides. So but right now I'm gonna do the control arm. I'll change the ball joint later because you got to drop the axle. It's bad enough just to take this control arm bolt off, you got to take out the engine mount. So 3 bolts and then take the control arm out. Be right back. Alright, got the old control arm out. That thing was bent and ripped. Get out of the shadows. Yep, so that was toast. There's the new one installed. So yeah, let's get back to pulling the frame rails. Let's set it up. Alright, we're set up here. Got my porter power. I did blow it up. I blew the seal on here. So I'm just using it as a support now. I'm going to use the winch as pulling power because me trying to do it with the come along, it uses a lot of my energy and I ain't young no more. So let's see what this looks like. Getting pulled right now. Might put you on tripod to turn on my booster pack. I'm just using the booster pack. Alright, Let's see here. Pulling it. Wow, this thing has no power. Nope. This thing's gonna blow up. That blows. Damn. Alright, be back. Alright, I did not go with the winch. That thing is useless. Yeah, not enough power. I need like a 12,000 pound winch. So I went right back to my old come along. I tried using this come along. I don't know what the hell's wrong with it. This one sucks. This one I am getting progress. Check that out, man. This frame rail is pretty much straight now. There used to be a see if I get you in there. Right here used to be a big old crease. It was creased in big time, almost flat. So I got it pretty good. Got some good tension on it. So I'm gonna leave that there for a little bit. Go inside real quick and come back out here. But check that out. That's straight. This was over here. I moved it a good 5 inches. Hell yeah. Shoot. After about a couple of hours, I think this frame rail is freaking straight. I think I need to pull it just a little more over here, but we're getting all that new. So as long as the leg is straight, I don't think I have to worry about any of all this over here. But we'll see. I'm still gonna put the clamp right here, pull it a little bit. But yeah, look at that. This rubber mount was laying over this far. It made a little imprint. Look how far it went back. I kick ass. That crease gone. Check this out. Front fender not bowed out. This fender was out about here. Hell yeah. Now, and the reason why I know this fender went back in, body line came back. This was overlapped from it, from the frame being pushed over. Hell yeah, I bet you this door opens better now. Ha! Yep. It was hitting right there. Hell yeah. Sweet. Right on. But like I said, my neighbor's got a 2010 also. Exact white everything. So I'm gonna take some measurements, square it up from strut to strut, and then, you know, just do some measurements. Now I just gotta work on this one. This one's pretty straight too. The reason why it looks crooked is because it's pushed in. If you look at the core support, if you look at this spot and that spot, that one's pushed in. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna turn the car around. Excuse me. I'm gonna pull it. I'm gonna start pulling that out. I'm looking good. And as I'm pulling this out this way, I gotta pull this way to get this crease out. This is gonna come out good, man. Hell yeah. I was scared, but I think it's coming out. I think the only hard part is right here. I think I'm gonna put a jack or something, rig something up, or I might just have to tell my friend to fix just that part for me. We'll see. All right, let's keep on working. Hell yeah. All right, got it all set up to pull. Got the pinch wheel puller. Put some tension. There we go. Okay, I figure this is a good point to stop. This frame rail is pretty damn straight. This one I need to pull just a little bit more because this one actually got pushed in and that way. So I pulled it out. I'm about a 1/2 inch off on measurements from here to here from the other side, but that's good enough. I just needed the frame rails extensions to come back where they need to be, and then get new frame extensions, because all this is going to be new, so everything's going to match. So I'm not worried about that. I'm just more worried about the frame rails. So I'm gonna pull this frame rail next week. I'm tired, I'm beat, so I said it's a good time to stop. And then next week probably pull that. Like I said, I need to pull it this way out. And yeah, this is looking good. I mean, frame was touching the AC compressor. It's away, everything. Heck yeah. So let's catch you guys tomorrow. Hold up, stop everything, hold up. Bam, we got ourselves a parts car for the Camry. For about 3 weeks I've been trying to get this thing to just go to accessories, just so to start, or not start, but at least give me some life. It came with no key, so I got a key that matches it, not a problem. But as you can see, I get nothing. Battery's good. I disconnected it for a couple weeks, nothing. I got it to turn on one time. It says it was mechanical damage, so I guess it truly is mechanical damage. It's got a mind of its own. I cannot get it to start because we were going to use this one. So this is a clean title. We were going to use this one, transfer the motor or the engine transmission, because that only has 80,000 miles. This has 180,000 miles. So, but since I can't get it to unlock, I can't get none of the modules to wake up, nothing. Until then, I can't do anything. So I'm gonna take this one apart. I'm gonna use the whole front end for this one. And then somebody needs a trunk, so I'll take the trunk off of this one, sell it. So I already got the trunk sold. And then take off the doors, sell the doors. I need one door for this one. This one's got a dent right here, so I might as well just, if I'm gonna paint, might as well put the door over there. But yeah, I cannot figure this thing out, and it came from a dealer because I saw the dealer tag inside. Look at it. Missing engine mount. I fixed the wire that was cut. I mean, I tried everything. That was laying like that. This is the way it came. Missing cover. That's my jack. I was holding up the hood. The shocks are not good. So we don't even know if this runs. It was bought as a non-runner, no key. So I'm going to use this whole front end for that one. So stay tuned. We'll start transferring everything over, start taking this one apart, cut it up, probably take it to the scrap yard. Like I said, I'm going to sell it as much as I can and then cut it up. Oh man, so yeah, I think this is going to end this video for right now until I situate everything. I still got the just got the Avalanche. You probably just saw a video on that. I got the 750. I still got the Mercedes way over there, the convertible. So yeah, I got a lot of things to do. So I was gonna end this video right here. All right, I was gonna end today's Bobby's Backyard on the 2010 Toyota Camry Hybrid rebuild. Oh man, this thing is kicking my butt. But at least we got a parts car right behind me now, so now I can go forward and finish it off. So if you like this video, please like, share, please leave me down a comment, consider subscribing, and talk to you guys later.